Did you grow up with parents who were strict, yet confusing? Generation X parents, the often misunderstood middle child between boomers and millennials. No smartphones, no instant answers, but rules that felt like prison. Why do they act one way at home and another in public? In this video we'll reveal the psychology of Gen X parents, and why it affects you. Ever wonder why chores were endless but emotional support was limited? Why their childhood shaped them to be independent but emotionally distant? And why understanding them can change your relationship forever? Comment below if this sounds familiar. You're not alone. Strict but loving? Independent or distant? Skeptical or supportive? Born roughly between 1965 to 1980, Gen X grew up during economic uncertainty and cultural shifts. Many were latchkey kids, home alone after school, learning independence early. Unlike boomers, they weren't promised lifelong security, shaping cautious mindsets. This shaped their parenting: independent, practical, sometimes emotionally distant. Core traits of Gen X parents. Trait 1. Practical problem solvers. Solutions over feelings. Trait 2. Skeptical thinkers. They question authority and your choices. Trait 3. Independent. Expecting you to stand on your own. Trait 4. Emotionally cautious. Expressing love is hard. Trait 5. Technologically cautious. Internet parenting feels foreign. Trait 6. Value work over play. Chores first, fun later. Trait 7. Balanced strictness. Freedom and rules sometimes conflict. Recognizing these traits helps you navigate conflicts and appreciate their intentions. Emotional patterns. Gen X parents often struggle to express emotions, appearing distant. They show love through actions, providing, protecting, guiding. Sometimes this can leave lasting emotional gaps in children. Recognizing this pattern helps you understand their intentions. Influence on adult children. Children of Gen X parents often inherit independence and problem-solving skills. They may struggle with emotional expression or seeking approval. Appreciating their intention reduces frustration. It also allows adult children to develop empathy and boundaries. This is the psychology behind why your Gen X parent is the way they are. Common misunderstandings. Many think Gen X parents are cold, but they are protective and practical. Their skepticism is not rejection, but caution and experience. Independence doesn't mean lack of love. Understanding avoids unnecessary conflict and resentment. Modern challenges. Modern tech, social media, and parenting advice clash with Gen X habits. They must balance traditional values with modern expectations. This sometimes creates tension with millennial or Gen Z children. Recognizing their struggle helps you build bridges, not walls. Tips for communicating. Tip 1. Respect their independence while expressing needs clearly. Tip 2. Appreciate practical gestures of love. Tip 3. Set boundaries without judgment. Tip 4. Communicate with empathy and patience. These tips reduce misunderstandings and strengthen bonds. Do you see your parents in these traits? Comment below. If helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights. Share with someone who grew up with a Gen X parent. They'll thank you. Thanks for watching. Remember, understanding is the first step to empathy.